Welcome! In front of me is a MOTOROLA Moto G62, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen for this as an example. So for me the content is already open and visible, but if for you whatever you're trying to capture isn't, do so it's visible. Anyway, from there you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up with edit, share, Google Lens and delete option, and after a moment it will just disappear like this, which you can find it in your photo gallery. So let me just quickly open that up right here. So there we go. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.